Unit number 23, Economical Biology, topic aquaphonic. So the previous class we have studied hydroponic. Today we are going to study aquaphonic. So when you heard this word is aquaphonic, it's a new name for you. So what is aquaphonic? Today we are going to study. In our textbook, page number 278. 4 more questions we are going to study in detail method. Aquaphonic is a system of combinations of conventional aquaculture with hydroponic in the symbiotic environment in which the plants are fed with the aquatic animals, excreta or wastes. Aquaphonic is a system of combinations. So there are two combinations are present or two cultivation is make it as a one. One is a aquaculture, another one is a hydroponic. So hydroponic, it's nothing how that water used by the cultivation of the plants without soil. So that is we call is a hydroponic. Hydroponic is nothing the plants able to grow without soil, the water used for cultivations of the certain type of the plants, but the water it contains all the minerals which is necessary for the growth of the plants. So that we call is a hydroponic. So aquaculture is nothing fish farming. So the both together we are making one that we call is the aquaphonic. In a symbiotic environment. So what do you mean by the symbiotic environment? When you do that is a hydroponic as well as the aquaculture, so both get the benefits. So that's the meaning we call is a symbiotic association or symbiotic environment. So with the help of the hydroponics, we can be able to cultivate the plants. At the same time, aquaculture, the fish excreta wastes can use as a water for hydroponic. So hydroponic, already I want to remind that the plants cultivate without soil or with the help of the water, the plants cultivate. The water contains all the nutrients which is necessary for the growth of the plants. So from this aquaphonic, all the nutrients can able to cultivate or get through aquaculture. So the aquaculture fish, the waste or aqua animal, the excreta or wastes can use as the nutrients for the hydroponic plants. So that's the way we call it a symbiotic environment. So in which plants are fed with the aquatic animals, excreta or wastes. So this is what called aquaphonic. So aquaphonic it's nothing, it is the system where we are able to cultivate the aquaculture as well as where we able to cultivate the hydroponic as well as where we can do the aquafarming, that both can be connected together, each get that a symbiotic environment. So this is we call is a aquaphonic. So these waste are break down by nitrifying bacteria. So the through the aquaculture, the aquatic animals release the excreta or waste material that is contain the nutrients for the hydroponic plants. The waste material have to be converted into the nitrate. So there are some of the bacteria it carried the process or the conversion of the waste or excreta of the aquatic animal, it's become nitrate. So this is carried by the nitrifying bacteria. So here these waste are broken down by nitrifying bacteria initially into and later into nitrates that are utilized by the plants as their nutrients. So through the cultivations, the waste material which you will get is a aquaculture. It is used by the plants with the help of the nitrifying bacteria. So this is the meaning for that. So in our book is this the diagram is given that. So this we consider as a plants. So it is not a soil, it's a small stone which is for anchoring of the plants. So here fish farming is present. So which we called aquaculture. So the waste material which is released by the fishes, so it one side recycled to the plants, that it deposit there, then the nitrifying bacteria it's carried and converted into nitrate, then the plants able to absorb this. So one side then it comes to this area. Now the water is very clean. Then one side it goes to, so with the pump we recycle or we re-rotated to the water to plants, then it comes to the fish tank. So this is the diagram. So later we will see that. So that is a diagram. It's a nature setup. Look at the here, this is the plants. So this is a fish farming area, fish cultivations that we call is a aquaculture. The waste material is carried by this the pipe, then it goes into that is a plants, then all the excreta, all the waste material carried by this pipe and supplied to the all the plants. Then the plants absorb the all the minerals, all the nutrients which is presence in the water, then it purify, then it goes to the same place. So this is the routine. So it may cultivate in the small scale as well as is a big scale cultivations. So look at that another one. So the same setup, the same method of aquaponic. So here plants, the fish are cultivated here, the waste water is comes here, excreta or the waste of the fishes water is carried from here and supplied to the plants. After that it comes here. So thus the waste are utilized and water is recycled back to the aquaculture system. So the waste water is carried here and supplied to here, then after that it's recycled to the aquaculture. So aquaculture is nothing, fish farming area. So here the fishes are there. So one side the water is become pure. So what's the use of this? Same time you can be able to cultivate the plants as well as the fish farming. So this is the benefit of this aquaponic. The aquaponic consists of the two main parts: aquaculture for raising aquatic animals like fish, and another one is a hydroponic for raising the plants. There are two beneficial where we can get from the aquaponic. One is a agriculture that we call is a hydroponic. So hydroponic it's nothing, one side I like to repeat, that is a hydroponic is nothing, the cultivation of the plants without soil but in water. So the water contains all the nutrients. Then as well as here is a aquaculture. Aquaculture is nothing, raising the fish, not only fish, some of the animals also maybe we can take that. So what is the benefit? Two main parts. One is a aquaculture, another one is that is a hydroponic. That's the way the first itself we have studied combination of the aquaculture and hydroponic, but both are is a symbiotic environment because both get the benefits. How the plants get the nutrition from the wastage of the fish or aquatic animals. The aquatic animals able to get the fresh water after absorb the waste material from the water. So what are the possible of the plants can be cultivated through the aquaponic? Aquaponic, green leaves, vegetables like chili, cabbage, lettuce, basil, coriander, parsley, spinach. So this is we call this a Chinese cabbage. So it seems to be like a cabbage. So these are some of the plants. It's very good for cultivating through the aquaponic. Lettuce, it's nearly is a Chinese cabbage. Basil, so this is the plants that also able to cultivate. Coriander, parsley, so it's nearly seems to be like this here, coriander. So little different between this coriander and here the leaf is a little totally different, but the taste also is different, the smell also is a little different. Spinach, so this is the plants. So this is also suitable plants for cultivate through aquaponic. So vegetables, so what are the vegetables is possible to cultivate? Tomatoes, capsicum, chilies, bell peppers, sweet potato, cauliflower, broccoli and eggplants can be grown in the aquaponic. So these are some of the vegetable. Here we cannot cultivate all the plants. A specialized plants is very suitable for to cultivate through the hydroponic or aquaponic. So what are the plants? We will see that. So tomatoes, capsicum, so this is the capsicum, chili, so we know that is a bell peppers, it seems to be like a capsicum, and sweet potato, so it's a specialized one. Sweet potato is always we will get it from the soil, but here it is possible to get, or we can be able to cultivate this there aquaponic. Cauliflower, broccoli, so eggplants, its eggplants is nothing, that is a brinjal. So these are some of the plants. Two more questions here. So what are the vegetable can be cultivated through aquaponic? So you can able to write these are the capsicum, chili, pepper, bell pepper, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, cauliflower, broccoli, eggplants, so can be grow in the aquaponic. So what are the green leaves? If they ask means you can write so these are some of the green leaves which we can be able to cultivate through aquaponic. So it may be ask us here two more questions. And sometimes what is the aquaponic? So you have to write that aquaponic. So aquaponic is a system of combinations of conventional aquaculture with hydroponic in a symbiotic environment in which plants are fed with the aquatic animals excreta and wastes. It may ask us here two more questions. you have to able to write. So except this, there are 4 more question is there. Enumerate the method of aquaphonic. So if they ask me, so you can write all the things. First you have to able to explain that is what is a aquaphonic. So how that aquaphonic methods are used. Then you have to write what are the leaves plants can be cultivated through the aquaphonic. Then you have to write what are the vegetable can be cultivated through the aquaphonic. So these are the explanations you have to give. Then only you can get the full mark. So it may ask us here 4 mark questions. Thank you.